Okay, student. Now we will discuss relation. Actually, relation is dependent on ordered pair and Cartesian product of two non-empty sets. So therefore, I have discussed ordered pair and Cartesian product of two sets before this. Now come to the relation. This is your chapter's name also. Student, in our daily life we come across different relations such as the relation between brother and sister, relation between children and fathers. So such type of relations are between objects or things are in a specific order. So what is actually relation is here? If A and B are two non-empty sets, then any subset, remember here, any subset of A cross B is called a relation from set A to B. It means relation between elements of set A and B are defined as the subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. So suppose R is a relation between set A and B, then that will always a subset of A cross B. Here 2 points you have to note down. If R is equal to 5, that type of relation is said to be empty relation. If R is equal to whole set A cross B, that is the Cartesian product of A and B, then that is called universal relation. One more point is there. If R is a subset of A cross A, then R is said to be relation on set A. If there are two different sets A and B, then we always set that a relation from set A to B. From word we will use here. But if we have set itself, then we always say that a relation is on set A, or you can say relation in set A. Okay. Now I will take an example to understand the relation. If set A is given as 2, 3, 5, 9 and B is 4, 6, 9, 15, 25. Suppose we have a relation R here. Actually see student here, we can form a Cartesian product of A cross B. To find out any relation, first of all we have to find out Cartesian product of A and B, and Cartesian product of A and B is set of all ordered pair such that first component belong to set A and second component belong to set B. So Cartesian product of A cross B can be find out. Now suppose we already know that relation is a subset of A cross B. It means any subset of Cartesian product of A and B form a relation. So I have taken one of the subset from A cross B. So some of the element I have taken from A cross B, that is 2, 4, 2, 6 and so on. And see the relation between these elements here, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 6, 3, 9. See here student, 2 is a factor of 4 and 2 can divide also 6, 3 can divide 6, 3 can divide 9, 3 can divide 15. Similarly 5 to 15, 5 can divide 25 and 9 can divide 9. So a relation is developing here that first component is dividing second component. It means which kind of relation this is a divisor of. Is a divisor of. This is a relation developed between the element of set A and B. Though it is not a complete set A cross B, but subset of A cross B. This is a subset of A cross B, and this subset is one of the relation which is defined as is a divisor of. It means first component is a divisor of second component. It means some of the more relation we can define here just like this: is less than, is a square of, okay, is a multiple of, such type of relation are there. So students, here what is a relation? Relation is nothing but it is a subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. Okay. Now we will do some questions based on this. Okay.